Committee on Tribal Unity CoTU has issued clarification rejecting the allegations circulated in sections of media regarding alleged harassment and extortion of Rajasthan school Wushu team during their return journey from Imphal, who participated in the 69th National School Games. In a press note issued by Information and Publicity CoTU, the committee dismissed claims while calling the allegations sensational and unsubstantiated, pointing out that no FIR or official complaint has been filed with Manipur police or security agencies. Calling the allegations fabricated, the committee alleged that Wushu team failed to disclose the location of the incident, saying the whole debacle was an exercise to provoke fear and outrage. Questioning the motives behind the report, CoTU said labeling the alleged miscreants as cookie militants was debatable, arguing that since the complainants are known locals, there is no basis of such ethnic identification. CoTU has labeled the story a fabricated narrative designed to malign the tribal community during an already sensitive time for the state and asserted to act against unverified claims.